Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD snaps 2-day losing streak to regain 1.3100 amid risk on sentiment. http ntvforex.com news ID BCDB056 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. GBP USD extends pullback from 1.305958 to probe intraday high. US dollar trims some gains as market optimism diverts funds to equities, ex-USD currencies. Hopes of virus treatment vaccine join Sino-American trade deal news to favor the risk on momentum. US data can entertain traders, but risk catalysts will be the key ahead of the Jackson Hole Symposium. GBP USD bulls regain the reins as the cable rises to 1.3105 before Tuesday's London Open. The quote dropped during the previous 2 days amid Brexit pessimism and the broad US dollar strength. However, the recent risk-on mood, backed by trade virus headlines, pulls the greenback downwards. Though, markets will wait for the American data for fresh impetus as the economic calendar has a few important factors to watch during the European-UK session. With a dialogue between the US and Chinese trade representatives renewing optimism surrounding the Phase 1 deal, markets paid a little attention to the American health official's warning to Trump administration's rush for coronavirus COVID-19 vaccine. Market sentiment cheered the US policymakers' push for the pandemic's cure on Monday, which in turn favored the US dollar. Additionally, news that the virus cases in Florida and the UK are receding off late added to the risk and sentiment at the start of the week. On the other hand, failure of the seventh and final scheduled Brexit talks defied the cautious optimism of British business houses, as showed by the government data. Also weighing on the quote could be French retaliation to the UK's no-go list. The European major imposed a 14-day quarantine on the people travelling from the UK. Elsewhere, Facebook awaits good news from UK Chancellor Rishi Sunak, even if PM Boris Johnson has earlier showed readiness to fine the company. Against this backdrop, futures on S&P 500 and FTSE 100 mark gains, whereas Asia-Pacific shares also keep the previous day's run up. Further, the US 10-year Treasury yields add 2 basis points BPS to 0.66% by the press time. Looking forward, the US consumer confidence and second-tier housing data may decorate the calendar, whereas Britannia's CBI distributive trades survey for August, expected 8% versus 4%, may offer intermediate moves to the pair. However, major attention will be given to Friday's Jackson Hole Symposium speech by the BOE Governor Andrew Bailey. Technical analysis: 21-day EMA and an ascending trend line from August 4 restricts the pair's short-term downside around 1.304035, while 1.3200 becomes nearby important resistance. Additional important levels overview: today last price 1.3105, today daily change 41 pips, today daily change percent 0.31%, today daily open 1.3064, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 1.3084, daily SMA 50 1.2762, daily SMA 100 1.2591, daily SMA 200 1.2723, NBSP levels: previous daily high 1.3149, previous daily low 1.3054, previous weekly high 1.3267, previous weekly low 1.3059, previous monthly high 1.317, previous monthly low 1.236, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1.309, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1.3113, daily pivot point S1 1.3029, daily pivot point S2 1.2994, daily pivot point S3 1.2934, daily pivot point R1 1.3124, daily pivot point R2 1.3184, daily pivot point R3 1.3219, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.